Understanding, snap a twig, a simple guide to English idioms. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the world of English idioms and explore the phrase, snap a twig. This phrase is a vivid expression in English, and understanding it can really add some flair to your language skills. So, let's get started. Snap a twig is an idiom that means to make a sudden, sharp noise, usually by breaking something small and brittle like a twig. It's often used to describe a situation where a sound is made that attracts attention, especially when someone is trying to be quiet. This phrase paints a picture of someone walking through the woods, trying to be silent, but then they accidentally break a twig, making a noise that can be heard. Let's see how snap a twig is used in different contexts. 1. In a literal sense, as I walked through the forest, I accidentally snapped a twig, and the birds flew away. 2. In a figurative sense, when he mentioned her past, it was like he snapped a twig, and the tension in the room became palpable. There are a few idioms and phrases that convey similar meanings or are used in similar contexts. 1. Break the ice usually means to initiate conversation in an awkward or tense situation. 2. The straw that broke the camel's back refers to a small, seemingly insignificant event that causes a larger, significant reaction, usually the culmination of a series of events. And that's a wrap on Snap a Twig. I hope this video has shed some light on this interesting English idiom and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Remember, idioms can add color and depth to your language, so don't hesitate to use them. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.